Hello, friends! Today I will tell you a magical story about adventures, bravery, and true friendship. This is a tale about a girl named Marie and a toy that turned out to be much more unusual than she could have imagined. This story is called The Nutcracker and the Mouse King. It was Christmas Eve, and little Marie was full of joy. On this magical holiday, she received many toys, but one gift was special: an antique nutcracker. He was small, with a wooden body and shaped like a soldier. Marie immediately fell in love with him. When Marie went to bed, the most unusual events began to unfold. He became a real soldier and started fighting against a huge army of mice that were trying to invade her room. Marie couldn't believe her eyes. The Mouse King was a terrifying and sinister enemy, with a whole army of mice at his command. But the Nutcracker was not afraid, despite his small stature. He was determined to protect Marie and her home. "Don't worry, Marie," said the Nutcracker. "I will fight for you, and good will triumph over evil." Watching the battle, Marie was very anxious. She knew the Nutcracker was very brave, but the Mouse King was so strong and wicked that it seemed he would soon win. And just when the situation seemed hopeless, Marie decided to help her friend. She grabbed that very toy, a tray of pies, and used it to distract the Mouse King. This moment became decisive. Inspired by Marie's courage, the Nutcracker finally defeated the Mouse King and his army of mice. When everything calmed down, Marie noticed that the Nutcracker had become a real prince. Having emerged victorious from the battle, he thanked the girl for her bravery and said, "You have shown me that true strength is not just in fighting abilities, but in your heart." Suddenly, Marie found herself in a magical world, where she saw wonderful palaces and forests, and the Nutcracker was now a prince. He invited Marie to a ball, and they danced until morning. When Marie woke up the next morning, everything was as it was before the toys were on the shelf. Marie realized an important thing: even if you are small and weak, if you have faith and courage in your heart, you can overcome any evil. And what is even more important, friendship and faith in others is what makes us strong. The story of the Nutcracker teaches us an important lesson. True strength is not always in size or power, but in kindness, bravery, and belief in yourself and your friends. If you believe in good, you can overcome even the greatest difficulties. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss other amazing tales.